All right. How's everybody doing? Let me know if you can hear me and see me well. I'm going to do a small sound test. Just make sure that you guys can see me well. I don't know why the camera is a little bit blurry. I think it's because of the monitor, but let's see. Let me know if you can hear. Well, yeah, the audio actually sounds good. Everything sounds perfect. And how's everybody doing? I'm gonna be looking, of course, above because it's where my camera actually is. I'm sorry, my monitor. And let's just by saying where you guys are saying hi from. This is gonna be a very cool streaming. It's not gonna be that long, probably half hour. But yeah, Isaac for Nigeria, how you doing? Loud and clear. Where are you saying hi from? Today's Sunday, October 25th, 2020. Yeah, 1080p, perfect. Awesome. Australia, how you doing? Welcome everybody to this live streaming. If you're just joining in or watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button and support this YouTube channel. All of my 52.2 thousand subscribers at the moment that I'm streaming this video. Okay, South Africa, Dominican Republic, Guyana, India, Dominican Republic, Nigeria twice, Philippines. How's everybody doing? Welcome to this streaming. I'm glad that you guys are here on Sunday. And without further ado, and so that I don't keep you guys that much, let's go ahead and dive into the content of this live streaming. So I'm actually making my camera a little bit smaller, just so that I can like explain everything to you. I'm gonna be looking at the live chat again here on top of the camera. That's why I'm actually looking here. Zarname, Egypt, Singapore, India, Turkey, Atlanta, Kenya, India, South Africa, the United States and Florida. Ahmed from Ghana, how you doing? Philippines. Welcome everybody, and we're in this specific streaming, as the name says, I'm gonna talk about the brand new BLW trading platform and show you the improvements that I'm going to be, that my team and I have been working on for the past few weeks. And I'm actually really excited because with these changes, I'm sure that your profitability will increase. Obviously, in order for you to increase your profitability, you got to know a few things, such as what you're doing, how to trade, how to follow the signals, and so on. As a matter of fact, I actually posted a video a few days back, if I'm not mistaken, 2-3 days ago, I don't remember, but I actually showed you how to copy trades and explain you how to place those trades. I'm going to have more tutorials, and actually starting off this week, I'm going to try to have some streamings during the trading sessions of some admins so that we can actually see the trades together and place those trades together. Okay, one thing I want to remind you before I start with the content of this streaming is that below the link is for BLW Trading Room below in the description in case you're not part of the Signals group. And also I invite you to join the Telegram channel, 100% free. The link is in the description as well. In that Telegram, most likely we're going to start sending the signals in there, not the actual signals, but we're going to send you the access. I'm going to explain you what right now, but make sure you're part of that Telegram channel as well, 100% free. And just as the last point, as the last invitation, go to blwsignalsacademy.com and take my training for free so that you know exactly how to follow those signals. So I appreciate all the likes that I've been receiving. Thank you very much for watching this streaming. So now we're going to start with the brand new BLW Signals Layout, which is this one right here. Why is this exciting? First of all, because I actually designed it myself, not the actual, it's not that this doesn't exist, but I actually thought of finding the easiest way for you to understand it. the easiest way for you to understand how to follow the signals. So the way it's going to work from now on is that you are going to see a signal such as this one right here as you see it. It says US oil crude, and it's got the direction and an arrow. A buy means that is a Forex signal, right? And it's got the arrow that the price is going to go up. Then we have the entry price, which is also known as the SR or strike rate, right? But is an entry price. People tended to confuse SR with support and resistance. And I mean, probably you haven't, but it's honestly better to have some sort of more or easier way to understand it. So therefore, entry price will be the new term for that price where you need to enter the transaction, okay? Then we have obviously the entry price right here. And then this is for Forex. And we're going to go one by one if you want to. We can go over here to Forex. We selected. Okay, I don't know why it's not selecting it. Hold on. For Forex, there's going to be over here the take profit. It says right here, take profit. And then for stop loss, it says SL, which is the stop loss, right? Obviously, the take profit is in green because it's the money you're looking forward to make. And the SL is actually the stop loss, all right? Zay says, display is a bit too small for me. This is because my monitor is in 4K. But if your monitor is in 1080p, or you can still change the zoom and everything, right? But this is just for training purposes. Okay, if you want to, let me just go ahead and make a little bit bigger the screen. Maybe this can help you out a little bit. There you go. Let me know if that's better. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the take profit. Below that, there's going to be a special note. Now, these notes are going to be added by the signal providers telling you, hey, be careful with this. Hey, do this. Hey, avoid this, or so on. And here's where they're going to put it, okay? Below that, there's going to be the name of the signal provider. And so that you, for instance, if you just want to follow one admin, or you want to know who is the admin who is going to follow those trades, then you know who is the admin who actually sent it. Then we have the date and the time that the signal was actually sent. Now, this is in order, which means that the first one that you'll see is the one that was sent the last, okay? So this one is the oldest one, and this one is the newest signal, all right? Now, we have binary, we have Forex, and we're going to have 5 minutes as well. And this is how the Forex are going to work. If we go on this one right here, it says USD/JPY. This is a binary signal, okay? Now, this binary signal is the same, has the pair on top, and then we have put, which is the direction, right? With the arrow saying, yeah, it's going to be a drop. Then we have the entry price as well. The test, it says test because of the SR, we were just testing. These are going to be deleted. And if you notice right here, here is the actually SR in this signal. And we have the expiration time, all right? It's a little bit different than Forex. Obviously, we don't have a take profit or stop loss, but we have an expiration time, all right? Then we have the notes as here as well. Then we have the admin that is sending the signal and the time, okay? Definitely, this is going to be a huge change. And below that, these are the open trades, which means the trades that are active at the moment. But if you want to see what has been happening throughout the entire day, and you're like, okay, so how are the trades going so far? Here on the close section, you will be able to see the trades results. So for instance, this one NZD USD, this is a 5-minute put. This is for the 5-minute room. It's a win, and it says right here, win. Okay, here we have some special notes that the admin is going to put, such as enter at the crossover, do this, do that. Okay, those are going to be the special notes, and as well as have the admin's name and the actual date that the trade was actually sent. This is important. Why? Because if it was sent, which shouldn't happen because we're going to close those trades immediately, but once they expired, but here you're going to know exactly how long this trade was actually sent. Okay, there's someone spamming over here. I don't know why. Hold on. All right. The messages were being hidden, but still, it's better just to block him. All right. So does that make sense in regards to how the structure of the signal works? Does that make sense? Let me know in the live chat. This is a training, and I want to make sure that you guys fully understand it, whether you guys in the group or not. Because if you're not in the group, or you're planning to join, or you're feeling interested to join, it's better to answer questions right now. And I do appreciate everybody watching this video. If you guys smash the like button, and this is super, super, super exciting. Okay, you guys are gonna be able also to filter the signals in this area. Like, I just want to see binary signals. Fine, you click on binary, and the signals just for binary are actually going to be shown. If you want to see just Forex, then just select Forex, and that's pretty much it. Okay. Now, what are the benefits? This is the second point that I want to cover in this specific streaming. What are the benefits of having these signals this way? Number one, it's more organized, okay? With the chat rooms, the problem that we had is that if you actually had a signal, let's say someone sent a signal right now, but there are 20 signals sent afterwards, and that one was for Forex, then it's hard for you to actually find it if you want to see it again, if you want to have control. You don't know if it already expired. What should I do now, right? So in this case, what we do is that we have it more organized. So if the signals is still right here, is because it's still active. Obviously, we're gonna let you guys know. The admins are going to let you know in the Telegram, hey, close this trade, hey, do this, do that. But it's definitely this organization that is gonna keep you a little bit more focused towards what are those trades that you are following per se. Does that make sense? Okay, 100% sense. Thank you. How do the 5-minute signals work? Check on YouTube. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna give a training on this one right now, but I'm gonna make another video. Yeah, better than the old system, definitely. How can you join this? Go to blwtradingroom.com. The link is in the description. All right, so that's one of the benefits, the organization. Number two of the benefits, you're not gonna be distracted, by other, I don't know, for instance, the chat rooms and so on, which we're going to talk about in just a little bit. But a lot of people were actually distracted for all the conversations that were going around, which is cool because it's a social experience. But some people actually wanted to just follow the signals. That's it. I just want to follow the signals. If I need to ask a question, then I'm going to do so. But if not, I just want to focus on my signals. Now, this is going to be the benefit. And the third benefit is that you're going to have results in real time. Okay, so you're gonna know if the trade expired in the money or out of the money. Obviously, if you actually follow the signal, you should have the same result if you follow all the instructions. But if you're just following along and not placing trades, and you just want to back test it or give it a try, then here is where this is going to happen. Okay, so 3 amazing benefits out of these specific new signals. Let me go ahead and just take a look at the questions right here. Definitely your Telegram ID, please. I don't give the Telegram link is in the description for the Telegram channel. Indeed. All right. Those looking to get into the Telegram, check in the description. Yes, please. The link is in the description. Do we need ID or something to join this room? No. Just go to blwtradingroom.com and you can join in there. This is just a website. The Telegram is an additional benefit. All right. Third thing that I want to talk about in this specific streaming, and this is one of the most important things of these new changes, is the push notifications. Okay. Hold on, because I will need to move my window right here right now. Let's see here. Boom. Do you guys see this small bell right here. Do you guys see it? This is the new notification system. So what's going to happen here is that you need to activate the notifications on the website. And this is only going to be shown for those who are part of the BLW Trading Room, meaning that you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you'll see this small bell. You need to go and click it and subscribe. Okay? Why? Obviously, only if you want to. I don't see a reason why you shouldn't want to, but this is to send notifications to the desktop. Okay, so if you're just multitasking out there and just, I don't know, doing some other stuff, watching a YouTube video, then if there's a new signal coming in, you're gonna get a notification on the corner saying, boom, here's a new signal for the BLW Trading Room. It's not gonna tell you what this signal is, but if you click on it, it's going to take you to this window right here and show you all the new signals. So that way you don't miss any trading signal because you were doing something else. Does that make sense? Let me see the question. Will the trade show in the closed section be there permanently? No, they're gonna be deleted every single day at 23:59 GMT. Then obviously we're gonna have a weekly report, but we don't want to keep 300 signals, in close. So you're gonna be able to see the close signals of the day. That's a good question. Introduced candidates to the group. They got registered and they're finding it difficult to pay with their master debit card. Send an email to support@blwonlinetrading.com or talk to the chat team and they will be able to help you. How do I log in? I'm a paid member of your Signal group. Then you should just go to log in. BLW Trading Room /login. You'll be able to log in. All right. The coolest thing in regards to these notification is this. Yes, you can activate the same notifications on your phone. So when you go into your phone and you log in into the BLW Trading Room, you will see the same bell. You activate it, and from now on, you will be receiving the signals on your phone. Okay? You click on the signal that you're gonna get, and your browser is gonna open up on the signal that was recently sent. Okay, now these signals are going to disappear within an amount of time. Obviously, if you're sleeping or something like that, you're not going to be able to see them, but that's basically an extra help so that you can actually not miss any signal. Does that make sense? Do I need to buy the membership separately or already joined the BLW Turbo strategy? Yeah, two different products. Yep. Sir, yesterday I had purchased your course, but I didn't get an email regarding my username and password, and I'm unable to download the 2-minute strategy. Check with my team. What time do you normally send the signal? It's all day long. Okay, try to talk in English because otherwise I don't know what you guys are talking about. So it would be better for me to ban you, right? Because I don't want a promotion or something. Hey, bro, why can't you send signals from Turbo app? It's too good, bro, and easy to take. Because it's a whole different product. With the Turbo app, you can just follow it yourself. Which one's better for beginner, BLW Trading Room or BLW Turbo app? For beginner, the best one is the BLW Trading Academy. Okay, it's bottom line. You need to know how to trade. No matter what application you get, if you don't know how to trade, you're not gonna make any money. All right. All right. So is everything clear with the push notification? Is everything clear with it? All right. Just want to make sure that everything's clear. And for the ones wondering what I'm talking about, what is this platform? You guys have no idea what I'm talking about. Let me just go ahead and make my window a little bit smaller so that you guys can see it entirely. All right, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, is this the BLW Trading Room? You guys can go to blwtradingroom.com and you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. It's a signal service that we have so you can copy our trades. And more importantly, the ones wondering, because I don't want to leave you guys without a reply. The guys wondering why or how to get it. go to this specific page right here. You guys go to BLW Trading Room, you enter your email, and you're brought to this specific part. And these are the plans, all right? Monthly plan, $29.99, 6-month plan, $149.99, and yearly plan, $238.99, all right? Check it out. We have some awesome promotions, and it's always good if you guys can talk to the chat team and answer all your questions in there, all right? What about the VL? Okay, let me just go ahead and jump into it right now. Okay, Telegram. Point number 4 of this specific streaming. Telegram signals. How is Telegram going to work? We're going to continue sending signals on Telegram. Don't worry about it. The only difference, though, is that the signals are actually going to be sent in a link. You're not going to get the exact signal on Telegram, but instead you're going to get a link. Once you actually click on the link, you will be taken to this specific website. Why is that? In order to protect the signals not to be copied, and more importantly, so that you can actually take advantage of the website itself. Okay? You can see if the trade was actually closed, it was canceled, or whatever in the website. So these signals are going to be sent in the Telegram channel. Okay? What channel? The one that is in the description of this video. Okay, that's the Telegram channel that you need to join, 100% free. So the link will be sent in there. And once you actually click on it, you'll be taken to this page. And that's not the coolest part. The coolest part is that when you actually click on the signal and you see it, the signal is going to be popping up, showing you, hey, this is the signal that you should follow. This is the signal that you should follow. So that way you don't get confused with all the signals at the same time. Does that make sense? What? Give the clone channel. You're trash. My trash? Someone just gave a dislike and called me trash. Why are you so mean on me? I've been trying to pay from Turkey with a credit, but transaction is not expected. Try to talk to my team and they will be able to help you. Hey Chris, do you expect payment by Bitcoin? Talk to my team and they're gonna see, depending on your country. Understood. Awesome. So yes, be part of the Telegram channel and we're going to be good to go. Right now, as I'm streaming this live, the Telegram channel has 1,900 followers. Most likely right now it's going to grow, but yeah, definitely you should do so. All right. And the last thing I want to talk about in this specific streaming is the chat rooms. Now, chat rooms, as you can see right here, these chat rooms are going to be available again. Now, there are just a few things that changed. One, well, we have the 3 rooms as well, as usual. That's not a problem. But instead of having them here, they're going to be pop-up chats in case you want to use it. Obviously, this is always going to be optional. So if you want to use it, all you need to do is actually click on the room and it's going to take you to this chat room right here. You can move it around and you can say, hey, everyone, send it. And that's it. You can talk to people. Okay. You don't want to see it anymore. Close it. Is it going to delete everything? No. You open it again and here it is. You don't want to get notifications because a lot of people is actually getting crazy. Right here, I minimized it. And this arrow right here, you click it and it gets minimized. No, I don't want to receive any notifications. Fine. Put the sounds off or put the sounds always. Minimize, off. Okay? As simple as that, right? Do you need to do anything extra in order to use this chat? No. As long as you're logged in into the group, you will be able to use it. Hey, I just want to be in the 5-minute room. Fine. You click in the 5-minute room and here we are. Okay. Now these chat rooms will be available for everyone who wants to use them. This is just an extra to have a social experience in case you guys want to socialize with other people, because we used to have this in the past, but we were not able to, which kind of sucked. So right now, I'm actually excited that we were able to bring it back. We're not going to be able to chat with each other. Okay, that's one point that I need to point out is like you're not going to be able to chat privately with anybody else, but it's going to be a new social experience. Okay, Which one is better for a beginner? All right, I already answered that question. I know the basic knowledge of trading, and I know how to trade. I'm just asking which one gives better performance, Trading Room or Turbo app. Look, I don't want to be rude or anything, but the way you're asking is like, I just want to make money fast. And this channel is definitely not about that. Okay? We focus towards education, experience, and more importantly, constant growth. Not about money directly or only about money, but like with expertise. Does that make sense? So both are good if you know how to use them. Okay, that's bottom line. So you're the one who decides which one is actually better. How much accuracy for these signals, Forex and binary? You can, well, the results of this week, I haven't shared them yet, but you can actually go to once you're in the group, you can go to the private group on Facebook. The link is going to be somewhere here so that you can actually have it. You can join and see what are the weekly results. We share them every Saturday morning. We share the results of the previous week so that you know exactly what was the performance. Any giveaway? Not today. Will this system start tomorrow or when? Yes, it starts tomorrow. Tomorrow, this system starts. BLW software, not ready. I'm still testing it. So do you guys have any questions in regards to the changes on the BLW Trading Room? Do you guys agree that these changes are going to help us all be better traders? Get as much as we can from the BLW Trading Room. And this isn't over, okay? We're going to continue having improvements all the time in order to make sure that you indeed make money or make as much money as you can, okay? That's basically it. My camera just froze. What the fuck? All right. Is it? All right, I'm back. So, yeah. No, it's starting the first session that you're going to see starting right now, but obviously right now there are no signals. But once the first signals start arriving, this is going to take place. Okay? So I don't want to keep you guys that long. Make sure that you rewatch this streaming is going to be here on YouTube as soon as we finish. And make sure you rewatch it all the time so that you can actually understand everything that is needed. Okay, so I do appreciate that you guys were in this live streaming. If in case you guys have any questions, you can email support@blwonlinetrading.com, support@blwonlinetrading.com. And more importantly, don't forget to smash the like button. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, people.